Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable dark mode on Instagram. But before anything else, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Instagram application. To do that, you can exit first your Instagram application, and then if you're using Android, using iPhone store, go to the search icon, search for Instagram, and if you see update button right here, you have to click that one and wait as it is updating. Once done, launch your Instagram application or open. And then here, what you're going to do is you have to tap on your profile. I will be showing you two methods on how to enable dark mode on Instagram. You can also swipe down or go to your phone or phone settings. So you just have to simply swipe down here and look for the gear icon or tap on the gear icon, which is this one. Now you have to scroll, and then this time you have to look for display and brightness. And as you can see, if there is a door right here, all you need to do is to tap that one. It will set or put your phone into dark mode, not just your Instagram. However, if you just want your Instagram to switch mode or enable dark mode just on Instagram, you just have to simply open right here, file, click this three lines at the corner, scroll down here, accessibility. So you have to tap on, and then on accessibility, you have to look for dark mode right here, and it will enable your dark mode on Instagram. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.